Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Okay, let's start our today's class. Today I am going to teach you the seventh chapter, tangents. What is tangents? Okay, let's discuss about that. Tangents. At first, I am giving the tangents at a point on a circle is perpendicular to the diameter through that point. At first, everyone study this. The tangents at a point on a circle is perpendicular to the diameter through that point. You know circle, what is circle and what is diameter? That's the what is tangents. I am showing a figure to you at first. This one. Here one circle is there. This is the circle. And diameter, this line is the diameter. Here saying the tangents at a point, the tangents at this point, at A, that is this line is tangent. Tangent is a line that touching a point of on a circle, that is tangent. Here it's saying the tangents at a point, the tangents, that is this line is perpendicular to the diameter through that point. Okay, this green line is perpendicular to the blue line, that is saying in this. Study, everyone study this. The tangent at a point on a circle is perpendicular to the diameter through that point. If you are drawing a line touching one point of a circle and drawing a line from that point and drawing a diameter from that point of that circle, then these two lines will be perpendicular. The green line and this blue line will be perpendicular. The tangent and diameter will be perpendicular. Study that. The tangent and diameter will be perpendicular. This is a circle and this line is tangent and this is the diameter. These two lines will be perpendicular. Okay, now can you draw this picture in your notebook? Can you draw this picture in your notebook? At first, can you draw? At first, here radius is given 2 centimeter. Let's draw that radius at first. Can you draw? Let's draw that radius at first. The measure is given the 2 centimeter. Then you may draw a circle 2 centimeter radius. From there you may draw a circles. Ready? Now next I told you the diameter, that is the radius. Okay, diameter and radius. Radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. This line will be perpendicular to this line. So you may keep your protractor or set square here and draw a line perpendicular to the radius. Draw a line perpendicular to the radius. Draw a line perpendicular to the radius. I am drawing. Okay. Now here is given 25 degree. 25 degree. And this we know 90 degree, that is perpendicular. So how much will be here? That is 90 plus 25, 115, 180 minus 90 plus 25, that is 65 degree will be that. Then you may keep your protractor here and draw a line from here, 65 degree line. Finished. Okay, this way you must draw this figure into your notebook. Next, one question is there in your textbook, this one. In each of the two pictures below, a triangle is formed by a tangent to a circle and the radius through the point of contact, a line through the center. That is given there. A circle is given and tangent, which is tangent this line. From outer point to the circle, a line touching to the circle, that is tangent. That is given there. Radius is given 2.5. At first let's draw the radius. measure that's given 2.5 centimeter. Next you may draw this line, the tangent. You know, here the angle between the tangent and radius will be 90 degree. Study, I told you to study at first that angle between the tangent and radius will be 90 degree. So you may keep your set square here or protractor here and draw that line. Okay, I'm drawing that circle at first, then you may draw that line. Okay, then you may take 5 centimeter in your compass. Listen everyone, take 5 centimeter in your compass and keep your sharp point of your compass here on the center of the circle. Take 5 centimeter in your compass, keep sharp point on the center of the circle and draw an arc here touching, and draw that 5 centimeter and draw that line. Okay, draw arc at first and draw that line. Then next the second figure, how can start? At first you may draw this line 2 cm. Radius is not given, so I am starting with that point. If radius is given, you may start from radius. Here measure of the radius is not given, so I am starting from the tangent. Then we know tangent and radius, the angle between tangent and radius is 90 degree. So you may keep your set square there and draw 90 degrees. 2 centimeters is that, and draw 90 degree. And one more thing that is given, this line that's from the center to the outer point of the tangent, that is 4 centimeters, that is given. So center, we know, we don't know where is the center of the circle, we don't know that now. So you may take 4 centimeter in your compass. Take 4 centimeter in your compass and keep sharp point here, and keep the sharp point of your compass here, this point. Listen that, this point, and draw an arc here, the meeting point of the arc and the radius, that is the radius of the circle. So take 4 centimeter in your compass, draw an arc from the center. Okay, then draw the circle. At last you may draw, in this case you may draw at last the circle. Okay, shall we wind up now? Have a nice day. Thank you.